Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time, and I'm here for our second annual craft collaboration with my subscribers. And the whole reason I started these collaborations in the first place was because people were making the patchwork skirts and the aprons and other things based off my instructional videos, and they've been wanting to share those photos with me, and I thought, well, why not just share them with the whole world? So I asked people to start sending me submissions, and I did that video on the craft collaboration, so it was mostly skirts, aprons, and more. And it was so much fun that we decided to continue it on, and we've done many different collaborations on various topics. And I will link to the full playlist in the description box down below so you can check it out, see what we've done, and then get an idea so you can be prepared for the next one I'll be working on, which I'm not sure yet. But if you watch my Monday This and That videos, that's usually where I announce what one we're working on and putting together and when I'm closing them out. So this year's collaboration isn't just based off my own instructions, though. I open this up for people to submit any type of craft, even if it's their own pattern or somebody else's pattern, or if it's based on my own. So that's what you're going to be seeing in these upcoming photos. So I hope you enjoy this slideshow. Well, that's it for the slideshow for this collaboration. Thanks to everyone who participated, and I do hope everyone enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out the playlist link I'll be putting in the description box down below. And thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.